Hello guys, today I want to discuss the technical nature of running a Forex brokerage. What does it take to build a successful brokerage on the actual technology and business side of things? Our industries, ours being service and software providers and yours, Forex brokers, are driven by a very different set of people. While it is challenging for us to find the talent exposed to Forex market, it is nowhere near as challenging as finding top technical executives or VPs for your Forex brokerage. The reason for that is not straightforward, but this is exactly what keeps the financial industry back in general when it comes to their tech. For example, did you notice that the rise of fintech coincided with the rise of crypto? That is not a coincidence. We'll come back to the C-levels, but let's talk about the rest of the team. VP of Technology, project managers, designers, and developers. Since the beginning of the COVID pandemic, nearly every business on the planet suddenly had to improve their tech to be able to take orders online, provide customer support from home, automate processes, take the sales online. This created an unprecedented shortage of developers like none the world has ever experienced. It takes a lot of time to become a developer, senior developer even longer. So this shortage drove up the costs of everything. As soon as this demand started leveling off, in the early 2022, the crisis in Ukraine disrupted the work of every web dev company I know. It must be the same for many others. Add to that the great exodus of talent and disrupted money flow in Russia, and you will see an increased demand for software developers once again. So now, what about our VPs and project managers? Usually, those are creative individuals with a technical or UI, UX design background with some management experience. The skill sets of candidates for this type of positions are quite varied, and they're naturally attracted to disruptive, fun projects, of which there are plenty. Consider yourself in that position. Would you rather work on something like SoundCloud or Airbnb, or manage a creation of accounting and regulatory reports on Forex data? There is nothing wrong with those. I personally love them, but this job description does not immediately ring the "I can change the world" bell. There are companies that provide a complete software development service that can power the business, a company that would provide a CTO, technical VP, project manager, and a group of designers and developers. These are not exactly your regular dev houses. They would be providers of vertically integrated solutions, an agency such as Mojo Tech. These companies are not cheap. You're looking to spend $300,000 to $1 million to build a solution that you need, and you will spend 6 months to a year between chats and calls with them. There's good news though. There is a good chance that you can find a ready-made solution that with only a few tweaks can achieve the desired result. Kenmore Design is a service provider. We are not an agency, not a custom dev firm. We have a ready-made product, CRM, and a traders cabinet that is already powering hundreds of brokers and provides functionality for hundreds of thousands of simultaneous users. We will implement your customizations if needed and develop custom expansions, and we will provide a service for your brokerage completely freeing you from the need of a technical co-founder. Your operations can start within a week. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you again next time. Goodbye.